You are done with your reading of the first unit. Today, what we have to do is, we have to start doing our comprehension part. Our first ready question is, we have to find out which one of these are same and which one of them are different among birds and fish. How they breathe. You're very right. It is different. Fish have gills and birds don't have gills. How they lay eggs. Is it same or is it different? You are very right. It's different. What covers their bodies? You are very right. It's again different. Birds have feathers, fish have scales. How they move? They move in a different way. Fish swim, birds fly. Now we have to answer the following questions. Where do amphibians live? They live in a wet place. How do amphibians move? They walk and they jump. What do mammals have all over their body? They have fur or hair. Let us share an interesting information. You know giraffe? Giraffe's tongue is so long that it uses it to clean its ears. Isn't it interesting? Now let us study some grammar. Pronouns. A word that replaces a noun in a sentence. You know what's a noun? A noun is a word used to identify any class or people, places, or things. Let us see the following examples. Fish have gills. They have gills. Instead of fish, we are using they in the next sentence. Fish is a noun and they will be a pronoun. Gills help them breathe. Them, again replacing a noun, will be called a pronoun. Do gills help fish to breathe? Do is replacing a noun, so it will be a pronoun. Yes, gills help them to breathe. Again, them will be a pronoun. How do gills help fish? Do is replacing a noun, it is a pronoun. Gills help them breathe. Them again is a pronoun. We are again starting with the next example. Birds have wings. Birds is a noun. They have wings. They is replacing a noun. It will be a pronoun. Wings help them to fly. Them will be a pronoun. What animals have these things? Wings. You're very right. Birds have them. They are wings. We have to use a pronoun to tell what these things have and where they belong. Can you guess this? You are very right. Fish have them. And they are scales. Can you guess this? You are very intelligent. Very good. Birds have them. They are feathers. That's all for today.